I lost my dog 2 days ago. She was such a big part of my life for the past 16 years, so I'm totally heartbroken. So today is one of those days where I didn't want to show up at all. But then I started thinking about painting and this community and how I would always come back to YouTube when my painting felt hard. I know a lot of you have painted through hard days too. And I also know that painting heals because it healed me. And today, when I made up my mind not to paint, I kind of remembered that journey. So here I am. And that is what I want to talk about today. So I've always been open about my childhood and how I grew up in an unstable environment. But for those of you who are new here, my mom was bipolar and she regulated it with alcohol. Emotionally, I was on a daily roller coaster, always waiting for the next time she would go out on a drinking spree. Worry was a real big part of my childhood. In many ways, I was the parent, especially during my teen years. Then, as I became an adult, it was easy to push my own needs aside, making sure that my children came first. So, when I started painting, it didn't take long for it to become a big part of that healing process. It gave me a way to feel my own emotions, the emotions that I had been pushing down for so long. I could practice in my journal and then move to my canvas and just let everything flow through me. Every painting lifted a tiny bit of that heaviness because I was allowing myself to feel and, even more importantly, to express what I was feeling. That process led to my first series of paintings, and I wasn't even aware of either of those things while it was happening. I didn't know I was helping myself heal, and I had no idea I was creating a series. But this time felt different. The feelings are so raw and new. So I just decided that I would go down to my studio, scroll through my videos, and see if I had any footage that I could use. I was sitting in my studio looking at my paintings, glancing over the paint and paintbrushes, and before I knew it, I was actually painting. And it was such a relief to move into that flow. It felt good to pop out of it and just feel the tears running down my face. I felt close to her, and I could feel a sense of calm come over me because I knew that things would be okay. I just wanted to share this because I believe the more emotions that we're willing to express through our art, the easier it is for the world to connect with your work. It's hard. So let me know in the comments if you ever experienced healing through art. I would love to hear from you. before I go, I have an invitation for you. So, as you may already know, I offer a free workshop, and every once in a while, I offer a free live painting session to pull everything together. If you want to join me for this free session, you can just click on the link in the description. Thank you so much, as always, for being here, and I'm looking forward to seeing you again next week.